Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. If you have a 2-litre bottle of full fat milk that's about to expire but don't want to throw it out or have no use for it, turn it into ricotta cheese so you can mash it with mince or eat it as a protein fix. Ingredients are lemon juice, full fat milk, sea salt, optional for taste. Simple. Step 1. On a medium heat, place a boiling pot with the milk and grab a thermometer. Heat the milk to 50 degrees Celsius, adding lemon juice 1 tablespoon at a time, stirring it gently. I added a tablespoon prematurely, but it didn't affect it. Step 2. When it reaches 50 degrees Celsius, turn off the heat and leave it for 10 minutes to cool to room temperature. The whey should separate from the curds, leaving the formed cheese. Add sea salt if you desire, giving it a light stir. Step 3. Once cool, fold the cheesecloth into 4, then place it on a strainer on top of a larger bowl. Then grab a large slotted spoon and gather as much of the cheese as you can, allowing as much liquid to drip back into the boiling pot before transferring it to the cheesecloth, and repeat until you can't grab any more. Step 4. Since we don't like to waste organic food at Mike's Organic Cafe, grab a large sifter, place it on top of a large bowl to fit, and pour the remaining water from the pot. You should be left with a good amount of ricotta, so wait until the water drains, then add it to the cheesecloth. Step 5. Now gently wrap the top of the cheesecloth together and twisting it gently to get any excess water from the cheese, then place either wrapped on the faucet to continue to drip dry, or place on a strainer on top of a small bowl to do the same. Tip: don't throw out the whey, instead leave it to cool for a few hours or overnight. The cream present in the whey will rise to the top and can be scooped away and used to make butter. 2 liters of milk should yield a cup and a half of ricotta. This is a good recipe if you don't like added chemicals and prefer to make a healthy alternative. Enjoy a protein-packed healthy ricotta, and be seeing you.